another level. I've been in my bag and I keep getting better. I'm getting richer, that ass getting thicker. My diamonds, they keep getting wetter. Fuck, I look like going back and forth with a little bitch that is not on my level. I do not give a fuck, tell a bitch try her luck, she'll get folded like a pretzel.
Hey YouTube, it's Jarmise and I'm here with another video. So if you want to see how I installed this bum ass blonde here, then stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Alright, let's get into it. I'm using, it's a blonde wig and I put some dark roots on it and it came out really good. So as you see, I already have my ball cap on and I'm just gonna put So this wig is from J Honey Hair Co. It is super bomb, super long, and I'm definitely in love. I'm gonna put the link to all the info below, so if you want to order this wig and get a duplicate, you can do that, sis. Alright, so before I start, I did use some lace tint, but I didn't let it air dry like I was supposed to, so you can see like the lace is still a little bit of a different color. So I'm just gonna go in and put some makeup on it. So now all I'm gonna do is go and glue it down. I'm gonna leave it where y'all can see it in good timing, and if you need a more detailed video, I will tag it above.
Ay, ay, ay. Yeah. Listen to me carefully. These are scared of me, don't wanna be compared to me. Failure is red in me. Your man pull up my chair for me. He wanna marry me. My haters give me clarity and popularity. I'm still fucking bossy. It's a burden. Everything I serve it like a bird, like Russian, Dutch, and German. Floated, make you nervous. In that Tuesday wagon, 22s looking murderous. I pop my shoulder. That picture get exposure. Got peace like Oprah. My patience is bipolar. I thought I told you, don't prep me or I'll roll you. I won't be tolerating from nobody. I am back. I'm a back. Yeah, you know I'm that. Can't get off of this. Yeah, I am back. Now you know I'm that. Yeah, I am that. Yeah, you know I'm that. I am back. I'm a back. Yeah, you know I'm that. Can't get off of this. Yeah, I am back. Yeah, you know I'm that. Yeah, I am that. You know I'm that. My sex appeal will knock you out. Mayweather 50 rounds and labels you cannot pronounce. Les Auchotay en France, Maryland without the bleach. And with the glasses on, I'm 20 out of 20. Please, try not to cry on me. Now that all my dreams are manifesting. Faces even when it resting. I could write a million songs. In my zone, I do no wrong. Chilling at the crib, t-shirt with no panties on. I pop my shoulder. That picture get exposure. Got beats like Oprah. My patience is bipolar. I thought I told you, don't prep me or I'll roll you. I won't be tolerated from nobody, cause I am back. I'm a back. Yeah, you know I'm that. Can't get off of this. Yeah, I am back. Yeah, you know I'm that. Yeah, I am that. Yeah, you know I'm that. I am back. I'm a back. Yeah, you know I'm that. Can't get off of this. Yeah, I am back. Now you know I'm that. Yeah, I am that. You know I'm that. I make the typical chicks pick up a twitch. QH initial gold stamp on my kicks. Lay it out for me gracefully. I don't trip. I kick it real as I can kick it. No script. Go on and hate me. I feel you. My reputation perceives you. You talking down. I don't hear you. My interjection is lethal. Black cashmere sweater is see through. My icy clarity. The skidoo. You heard of me. Guarantee you. Cause all your friends saying queen who? Hey, it's Herbie baby and I ate so much cake. It's my birthday every day and I'll be staying in LA. Got so much sun. Don't mind the shade. That sounds like a serenade. Well, all of my haters be fading away. See, I might go ahead and replace all your favorites. I am back. I'm a back. Yeah, you know I'm that. Can't get off of this. Yeah, I am back. Now you know I'm that. Yeah, I am that. Yeah, you know I'm that. I am back. I'm a back. Yeah, you know I'm that. Can't get off of this. Yeah, I am back. Now you know I'm that. Yeah, I am that. You know I'm that. Thanks for stopping by. You know I'm dead.
Alright y'all, so today I will be using my So Char kit. The box is so cute. And it came with edge control. Just gonna focus. Baby hair glue. A wax stick. And spritz. And it also came with this little edge control brush. So I'm just going to go through and flatten the roots of my hair. Not flatten, just kind of press out. I don't have my hot comb, it broke, so I'm going to be using my wand curler.
Ay, ay, ay. Yeah. Listen to me carefully. These are scared of me, don't wanna be compared to me. Failure is red in me. Your man pull up my chair for me. He wanna marry me. My haters give me clarity and popularity. I'm still fucking boss, so it's a burden. Everything I serve it like a burden. Russian, Dutch, and German. Flow that make you nervous. In that Tuesday wagon, 22s looking murderous. I pop my shoulder. That picture get exposure. Got peace like Oprah. My patience is bipolar. I thought I told you, don't prep me or I'll roll you. I won't be tolerating from nobody. I am back. I'm a back. Yeah, you know I'm that. Can't get off of this. Yeah, I am back. Now you know I'm that. Yeah, I am that. Yeah, you know I'm that. I am back. I'm a back. Yeah, you know I'm that. Can't get off of this. Yeah, I am back. Yeah, you know I'm that. Yeah, I am that. You know I'm that. My sex appeal will knock you out. Mayweather 50 rounds and labels you cannot pronounce. Lay off your tail France, Maryland without the bleach. And with the glasses on, I'm 20 out of 20. Please try not to cry on me. Now that all my dreams are manifesting, faces even when it resting. I could write a million songs in my zone.
This is another day, but the video cut off while I was doing my baby hair, and I really want to show y'all how I do it and how I achieve the look. So we're gonna do it again. All right, so just watch what I do and let's get to it.
Panties on, I pop my shoulder. That picture get exposure. Got beats like Oprah. My patience is bipolar. I thought I told you, don't prep me or I'll roll you. I won't be tolerated.
During this process, you'll see me using two different products. So I'm going to be using my Tropical Roots Foam Mousse and my baby hair glue from So Char. And firstly, I'm just going on and laying the mousse to get the hair exactly how I want it, what form. I like a little bit more flexibility when I'm doing my baby hair, and then I'm going to use the gel to just set everything in place and to create those swirls. Alright, I really hope you guys like this look.
QH initial gold stamp on my kicks. Lay it out for me gracefully. I don't trip. I kick it real as I can kick it. No script. Go on and hate me. I feel you. My reputation perceive you talking down. I don't hear you. My interjection is lethal. Black cashmere sweater is see through my icy clarity. The ski-doo you heard of me. Guarantee you, cause all your friends saying queen who? Hey, it's Herbie, baby, and I ate so much cake. It's my birthday every day, and I'll be staying in LA. Got so much sun, don't mind the shade. That sounds like a serenade. Well, all of my haters be fading away. See, I might go ahead and replace all your favorites. I am back. I'm a back. Yeah, you know I'm that. Can't get off of this. Yeah, I am back. Now you know I'm that. Yeah, I am that. Yeah, you know I'm that. I am back. I'm a back. Yeah, you know I'm that. Can't get off of this. Yeah, I am back. Now you know I'm that. Yeah, I am that. You know I'm that. Thanks for stopping by. You know I'm dead. Ay, ay, ay. Yeah. Listen to me carefully. These are scared of me, don't wanna be compared to me. Failure is red in me. Your man pull up my chair for me. He wanna marry me. My haters give me clarity and popularity. I'm still fucking boss, so it's a burden. Everything I serve it like a burden. Russian, Dutch, and German. Flow that make you nervous. In that Tuesday wagon, 22s looking murderous. I pop my shoulder. That picture get exposure. Got beats like Oprah. My patience is bipolar. I thought I told you, don't prep me or I'll roll. Lay off your tail France, Maryland without the bleach. And with the glasses on, I'm 20 out of 20. Please try not to cry on me. Now that all my dreams are manifesting, faces even when it resting. I could write a million songs. In my zone, I do no wrong. Chilling at the crib, t-shirt with no panties on. I pop my shoulder. That picture get exposure. Got bees like Oprah. My patience is bipolar. I told you, don't prep me or I'll roll you. I won't be tolerated from nobody, cause I am back. I'm back. Yeah, you know I'm that. Can't get off of this. Yeah, I am back. Yeah, you know I'm that. Yeah, I am that. Yeah, you know I'm that. I am back. I'm back. Yeah, you know I'm that. Can't get off of this. Yeah, I am back. Now, you know I'm that. Yeah, I am that. You know I'm that. I make the typical chicks pick up a twitch. QH initial gold stamp on my kicks. Lay it out for me gracefully. I don't trip. I kick it real as I can kick it. No sweat, go on and hit me.
Please excuse this big cut on my forehead. Yeah, I was doing some real dumb stuff with the razor, and I was asking for this. So, it's not bleeding anymore. It's just red from you know how cuts do. So, just excuse it.
I don't mind the shade that sound like a serenade. Well, all of my haters be fading away. See, I might go ahead and replace all your favorites. I am back. I'm back. Yeah, you know I'm that. Can't get off of this. Yeah, I am back. Now, you know I'm that. Yeah, I am that. Yeah, you know I'm that. I am back. I'm back. Yeah, you know I'm that. Can't get off of this. Yeah, I am back. Now, you know I'm that. Yeah, I am that. You know I'm that. Thanks for stopping by. You know I'm dead. Hey. Yeah. Listen to me carefully. These hooks are scared of me. Don't wanna be compared to me. Failure is red in me. Your man pull up my chair for me. He wanna marry me. My haters give me clarity and popularity. I'm still fucking bossy. It's a burden. Everything I serve it like a bird. Like Russian, Dutch, and German. Flow that make you nervous. In that Tuesday wagon, 22s looking murderous. I pop my shoulder. That picture get exposure. Got bees like Oprah. My patience is bipolar. I told you, don't prep me or I'll roll you. I won't be tolerating from nobody. Cause I am back. I'm back. Yeah, you know I'm that. Can't get off of this. Yeah, I am back. Now, you know I'm that. Yeah, I am that. Yeah, you know I'm that. I am back. I'm back. Hey, you know I'm that. Can't get off of this. Yeah, I am back. Yeah, you know I'm that. Yeah, I am that. You know I'm that. My sex appeal will knock you out. Mayweather 50 rounds and labels you cannot pronounce. Lay off your tail France, Maryland without the bleach. And with the glasses on, I'm 20 out of 20. Please try not to cry on me. Now that all my dreams are manifesting, faces even when it resting. I could write a million songs. In my zone, I do no wrong. Chilling at the crib, t-shirt with no panties on. I pop my shoulder. That picture get exposure. Got bees like Oprah. My patience is bipolar. I told you, don't prep me or I'll roll you. I won't be tolerated from nobody, cause I am back. I'm back. Yeah, you know I'm that. Can't get off of this. Yeah, I am back. Yeah, you know I'm that. Yeah, I am that. Yeah, you know I'm that. I am back. I'm back. Yeah, you know I'm that. Can't get off of this. Yeah, I am back. Now, you know I'm that. Yeah, I am that. You know I'm that. I make the typical chicks pick up a twitch. QH initial gold stamp on my kicks. Lay it out for me gracefully. I don't trip. I kick it real as I can kick it. No script. Go on and hate me. I feel you. My reputation precedes you. You talking down. I don't hear you. My interjection is lethal. Black cashmere sweater is see through. My icy clarity. The ski-doo. You heard of me. Guarantee you. Cause all your friends saying queen who? Hey, it's Herbie, baby. And I ate so much cake. It's my birthday every day. And I'll be staying in LA. Got so much sun. Don't mind the shade. That sound like a
I use all of the products. I'm about to use the wax stick now, and I honestly really like it. Like, the baby hair glue is good. I've never tried to use a gel for my baby hair. I always use a mousse, so I was pleasantly surprised on how the gel. I like it, gives me a firmer hold. So now I'm about to take the wax stick It on here, going towards the back. Take my comb in the direction I want it to go. And then if you have a hot comb, I would suggest use a hot comb, but I don't, so I'm just using my wand curler. This is my final look. I really hope y'all like this blonde hair because I think it is bomb AF. Remember to subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, it's Jarmise, and give this video a like. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you.